Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite and I'm gonna show you how to change the image quality in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the left to this button. So when we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings, and here we have picture quality option, so let's tap on it. As you can see, we can change it from high to standard and also to the low. And of course I suggest you to keep this on the best possible, which is high. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.